finally made it to the little summit on top. But check it out. This is the city of Ladakh in India, northern India. Far out over there is a palace right here. Is a palace, and up there's a monastery. I'm gonna try to see what that's about. I don't know about the palace, but the Palace of Leh I hear is nice too. I'm thinking it's about 3 in the afternoon, so 1500 something, 15 something, and I just woke up, feel great, even though I was warned about this whole altitude sickness, but I seem to be doing fine. Maybe it's because I've been hiking already in the Faroe Islands and I got used to it. But yeah, check it out. Sitting here. It's an awesome place. Just look at the mountains. Look at the clouds and the sun. It's just an amazing day after it rained. The Himalayas are really pretty. It's really beautiful. So I think after this though, I'm going to gonna probably check what's on top, then see what's up there. And I'm probably gonna go grab something to eat while getting my laundry done, because I didn't get laundry done the past few days. So I'm stinky, I'm smelly, and I admit it. And I haven't showered. So Mom, Dad, if you're watching this, I'm gonna be a good boy and shower. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy out here. It's a nice view. Nice view.